Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to set up your VPS provider using Nodestop in just a few minutes. And yes, this works with most providers, so no worries if you're using a different one. First, head over to Nodestop and hit that register button. Fill in your details. Any details work if you're wondering. Click register again and boom, you're in. Once inside, you'll land on the dashboard. Now go to the store section and select your VPS. I personally recommend choosing an Ashburn, Virginia server for the best performance. Pick the most budget-friendly plan that suits you. Anywhere from 12 by 24 RAM to 16 by 32 is a solid choice. Make sure Windows Server 2019 is selected as your OS. Click continue. And when you get to review and checkout, double check your cart to make sure your VPS is there. Use my 20% discount code, VPS. Check your billing details and choose a payment method. I'm going with crypto for this tutorial. Click checkout and you'll see order placed. Click continue to client area, then go to unpaid invoices. Find your latest unpaid invoice and double check the details. Choose your payment method again. Click pay with crypto. Select Solana, hit proceed to payment, then copy the wallet address. Open your crypto wallet, hit send, select Solana, paste the address, enter the amount and hit next. After payment, check your email for your invoice and order confirmation. Give it a few minutes and you'll receive your VPS credentials. To verify everything's set, go to the services section to see all your active VPS services. And that's it. Now you're ready to start using your VPS. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All links are in the description of the video. In the next video, I'll show you how to log in.